Day 5. Yesterday you practiced writing initialize. Today you're going to learn where your algorithm actually reacts to the market, the part that runs over and over again. Initialize only fires once, but prices keep coming, bar after bar, day after day. Something has to be listening the whole time, ready to act the moment new data shows up. So, what is OnData? OnData is the method that runs every time new price data arrives, where you check your conditions and decide whether to buy, sell, or do nothing. Here's a simple analogy to explain it better. On the left, we have a lifeguard on duty, on the right, OnData. Imagine a lifeguard sitting at the pool. They don't act once and walk away, they watch every single moment, scanning the water again and again, ready to react the instant something changes. The lifeguard here says, stay alert and respond to whatever happens next continuously. OnData works exactly the same way. It fires on every new piece of price data, which in this case is, each time a new bar comes in, your algorithm looks at it fresh and decides what to do, just like the lifeguard scanning the pool again. With that, we wrap up the simple introduction of the concept of OnData in QuantConnect. Here's a quick knowledge check. OnData runs only one time at the start of your algorithm, true or false. And the correct answer is false. OnData runs again and again, every time new price data comes in. The method that runs only once at the start is initialize.